How to turn off or on notifications on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on your notifications on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application and now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now click on notifications and you have the first option, which is notifications. Turn off this option or turn it on, whatever you want. I choose to turn off this notifications. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.